A company isn't broken because it is losing money. A company is broken when its systems stop working. Broken here means unclear strategy, weak leadership, poor execution, no accountability, outdated systems, declining margins, cultural drift, operational chaos. Private equity firms don't fix symptoms, they fix systems. Now, every broken company falls into one of three categories. Type 1, the drifting company, not dying, not growing, just drifting. The symptoms here are stagnant revenue, no innovation, complacent, I beg your pardon, complacent leadership, slow decision making, and these companies always need direction. Type 2, the overwhelmed company. Now, this one is growing too fast without the systems to support it. The symptoms here are operational chaos, customer complaints, supply chain issues, leadership burnout. These companies need structure. Type 3, the distressed company. Now, these ones are actively declining, and the symptoms are shrinking margins, cash flow problems, leadership turnover, debt pressure. These companies need triage. Now, here is the exact framework private equity firms use to fix broken companies. Step 1, diagnose the real problem. Now, most companies misdiagnose themselves. Private equity firms look at leadership, culture, incentives, systems, processes, financials, customer experience. The goal here is to identify the root cause, not the surface symptoms. Step 2, replace or strengthen. That is, replace or strengthen leadership. Turnaround, rise or fall on leadership. Private equity firms often replace the CEO, upgrade the CFO, bring in operators, add board oversight, install interim leaders. A broken company cannot be fixed with the same thinking that broke it in the first place. Step 3, stabilize cash flow. Now, this is the first operational priority. Stabilization includes tightening working capital, renegotiating contracts, improving collections, reducing waste, prioritizing profitable customers. Cash flow is oxygen. You fix that first. Step 4, rebuild the operating system. Now, broken companies lack discipline. Private equity firms rebuild KPIs, dashboards, reporting cadence, accountability systems, weekly operating rhythm. This creates operational clarity. Step 5, rebuild the strategy. Now, once the company is stable, you rebuild the strategy. This includes defining the core customer, clarifying the value proposition, simplifying the product offering, focusing on profitable segments. Turnarounds succeed by simplifying, not expanding. Step 6, rebuild the culture. Now, culture is the invisible system that drives behavior. Private equity firms fix culture by setting expectations, rewarding performance, removing blockers, promoting talent, creating urgency, because culture changes when leadership changes behavior. Step 7, accelerate growth. Now, once the company is stable and aligned, you accelerate. Growth levers include pricing, sales force, effectiveness, new markets, new products, mergers and acquisition, turnarounds, and turnarounds end with momentum. Now, turnarounds are emotional. Employees always feel fear, uncertainty, frustration, exhaustion. So private equity firms succeed when they communicate clearly, create stability, set expectations, build confidence, celebrate wins. Turnarounds are 50% strategy and 50% psychology, if I may. Now, the biggest mistakes I see is cutting too fast, cutting too deep, ignoring culture, ignoring leadership, overcomplicating strategy, moving too slowly, as well as failing to communicate. Now, turnarounds require precision, not panic. To fix a broken company, you need clarity, of course, leadership, discipline, systems, cash flow, culture, and momentum. Private equity firms don't fix companies by cutting, they fix companies by rebuilding. Broken companies don't need miracles, they need leadership, systems, and discipline.